The beautiful snow leopard lives in areas with a very cold climate. Such areas include mountainous regions from Afghanistan to Lake Bakil in eastern Tibet. They like the chilly air that they receive from their homes.
Another large cat you can find at Cat Canyon is the Malayan tiger. We have two brothers who are on full-time display. A tiger's stripes are never the same, not unlike human fingerprints. Tigers are devoted hunters, sometimes traveling 20 miles to find food.
These are our cougars, Joseph and Tecumseh. Cougars can jump up to 20 feet in the air without a running start. They eat small animals and can take down a whole white-tailed deer at once.